Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp. The phone number you have entered isn't valid. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having the issue that your phone number you have entered is not valid, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So go up to your quick settings, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you are connected to your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to briefly enable airplane mode and then wait for almost 5 to 10 seconds, then go disable it. It will make a quick refresh to your network settings. Once you have that, you have to go up to your WhatsApp app again, and here you have to retry. And if you are still having the same issue, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you have entered the valid country name here. Here you just have to select the country name of which you have entered the number, and once you have that, you have to simply retry here. And here you can see that our problem has been fixed. So in this way you can easily fix that on WhatsApp if you're having that the phone number you entered is not valid. So that's how you can easily fix. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.